Welcome to Fun with Hashim. Ta-da! Surprise, guys! Today I'm here with another surprise toy. Did you remember the super surprise toy on Eid? Okay, then let's get started. It's for Brian. It's Combo Panda Airplane. Gotta tell you, first there is Red Titan. That's how Ryan became Red Titan. So that's Combo Panda, and that's Gus. That's Mode, the monster, and Peck. He's so cute. And Alpha Alexa. Content: 1 aeroplane, 6 figures plus accessories. 20 pieces in total. This is it's for free at the bottom. There's something right here. Warning: chucking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. Oh yeah! So I'm already 5, so this suits me. So let's start unboxing this. Guys, this is the figures and this is the food. This is engine. Go. Which one side shall I put this one? We'll put this on this. No, it goes. That one goes right. This was a little bit hard, so you have to ask your parents to help. Oh, still have lots of work to do. Oh, please open this, Mom. It's so hard. Combo Panda Airplane. It has white color and black. A black wings and even yellow hair. Oh, look, this egg ball here. Just kidding, and it has 3 sides and mouth. It looks like it could talk. Oh, it has ears. Oh, it has headphones. Oh, guys, look, there's 4 wheels. Yeah. It's not battery operated, so it's easy. You can play it like this. You don't need a control. It's easy to play with your hands. There's 2 windows at the front, but there's 4 windows in the front for the pilot to see which side. There's different ways: east, north, west, and south. So there's different directions. Let's open it and let's make them sit. Voila! It's open. Now we have to just have the figures going. Where will he sit? How can he sit? I guess he has to get points to make them sit. Look, Gus. Get up. I need to come in. Let's put Red Titan. Here he's not the pilot, he's sitting with Combo. Combo is the pilot because that's his train. I mean because that's his aeroplane. No. Little scary moves. Hey, where's Liz? Where's the... Oh, that's easy. All the passengers and all of the pilots are ready to fly. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yay! Looks like they're hungry now. Let's have some lunch. So, what are they going to have today? Red Titan doesn't need food. They're hungry, so let's give them some food. Combo, who will have this headphone? It's too small, so it doesn't fit anyone. Okay, so who wants a yummy orange? We'll have a big plate. Here you go, Mark. I hope you like your own orange. So, would you like an ice cream? I do. I like cold things. Okay. Okay, Peck. Here you go. So he's going to have an ice cream. At Combo Panda need his cell phone. It looks like we could put it in. It looks like we could. Who will have this? Maybe he could put it next to Red Titan. Okay. First, I serve them pizza. Up, Alexa. Okay. There you go. Peck has ice cream. Gus has pizza. Alexa has fries, and Mark has fries and orange. That would be impossible. Why is it? Maybe someone gave it to him. That's okay. Oh, maybe he would like an orange. Oh, who needs coffee? Oh, I do. Okay. Hoo. How about who wants a coffee? She finished it, so this one couldn't fit, so let's put it back. Okay, you finished. Let's bring the food in. Seems like they finished their favorite lunch. Whew, that's a lot of food they have eaten today. Please close your tables, please. There's 2.5 hours until we reach the destination. So until then, everybody can sleep. The plane is about to fly so put on your seatbelts. So let's go. Okay. Now this base, so now. Oh, you're getting free gravity. Now let's go back. The flight has arrived. Bye guys. I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel and press the like button as fast as you can. Let's see if you can watch all my videos. See you next time. Woo! Bye.